You don't need any computer and laptop. Yes, you can also create a professional level of thumbnail by using your mobile phone. In this video, I am going to show you how to make SD thumbnail in your mobile phone by using this free app. And also, if you don't have any editing skills, I will show you the full process from the zero level to the top level. So make sure you don't skip any part of the video, otherwise you will miss some important steps. Now, without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's move into our mobile screen. Let's begin the process of how to make SD thumbnails. Open the Picsart app and click on templates. After that, scroll to the right side. You will find the YouTube option. This is the place where you can find free template for your YouTube thumbnail. You can make your own choice while choosing this template. Select the template that you want to use. Right now, I will be using this template for my YouTube thumbnail. Now we have to remove all this unnecessary text and objects. Click on them, and this is how simply you can remove the unnecessary text. So you can see that a unique background for your YouTube thumbnail is ready. A background plays a vital role in making your thumbnail look more professional. So that's why always choose a unique background for your thumbnail. Now time to put in the most important thing that is used for making a thumbnail, and which is text. Write whatever text you want to write in your thumbnail. Now I will show you some of the main components for text which will help your text look more professional and attractive. At the bottom of the mobile screen you can see lot of options. Click on the stroke option. By using this option you can make your text look more thicker and clear. Now scroll to the right and here you can see shadow. Click on the shadow and make the position of horizontal and vertical to the 0. Now click on the adjust and decrease the blur level and increase the opacity level. This is how you can add a shadow to your text and make your text professional. Now time to use some professional idea. Click on the shape option and select the rectangle and cover the whole text with the shape. Minimize the shape of the rectangle equal to the size of the text. From here select the layer option and move the layer of the text upper from the layer of the object. After that it will look like this. Now click on the shape again and click on the color. So from this option we can change the color of the shape, and this is how you can give a background to the text. You may have seen this kind of text on the thumbnail of your favorite YouTubers. This method is used by every professional YouTubers and you should also use it for making your thumbnail look more attractive. Now time to add some more text on my thumbnail, and I will be using this same idea again to make my text look more attractive and professional. So you can see that the combination of good background and a good text looks so beautiful. After this, you need to add the main object of the thumbnail, which is the most important thing. So the main object of my thumbnail will be this picture. I will select this picture and add on my thumbnail. Now we need to remove the background of this picture, and for that we need to crop the picture like this. After cropping the picture, it will look like this. Now scroll to the right side and you can see cutout option. From here select the person, and this is how you can easily remove the background of the picture. You can also use the erase option and remove the background of the picture perfectly like this. And after removing the background of the picture perfectly, put it in the right place of the thumbnail. Now our main part start here. We need to make this picture more SD and more clear. So for that, the first thing that we need to do is adjust the shadow. Click on the shadow, adjust the position of vertical and horizontal to the 0. After that, we need to adjust the blur and the opacity level. Decrease the blur level and increase the opacity level. Now we are going to add a border on the picture. Click on the border and select black color. Decrease the amount to the 3 only. After the shadow and the border is combined perfectly, then your picture will look little bit 3D. Now time for the main thing. Click on the picture and select the adjust. So from here, adjust the brightness of the picture, adjust the saturation of the picture, and adjust the highlight of the picture. You need to adjust this according to the quality of your picture. This might be different for everyone. So in this picture, I'm increasing the brightness little bit, increasing the saturation little bit, and also increasing the highlight. Make sure you decrease and increase only little bit amount of these features. Now here comes the most important thing for SD look, which is clarity. Increase the clarity of the picture according to your choice. You can use this feature and see how much SD you can make your picture. This is how you can make your face and you can make the main object in SD quality. So our thumbnail is almost done, but there is still some important steps remaining. Only the text and the main object won't be enough for making your thumbnail attractive. You need to add some extra object, like I am adding this sticker on the thumbnail. So I have added this picture. Now I will use another idea for removing the unnecessary part. Here I will select this rectangle shape and cover the whole area that I want to put. And this is exactly how you can give shape and structure to an object. Now I will give you a professional tip. Move the layer of the picture up and the Picsart down. So you can see that the Picsart is in the background. This is a very special idea that every professional YouTuber use in their thumbnail. So make sure to use this idea while making your thumbnail as well. Now let me show you a creative way of using all those ideas in a thumbnail. So as you can see, I have made this by using all those ideas that I have already told you. Now time for a professional thumbnail editing tips. I am going to talk about the gradient feature. By using this feature, you can make a single text or an object with two different colors like this. This is also a very important feature. By using this, you can also make your text and shape more attractive and beautiful like this. So this is our thumbnail looking, but the process is still not finished yet, because now I am going to show you the magic process by which you can make your whole thumbnail or SD quality. Click on the tools option and from that click on the adjust. So from here you can adjust the quality of whole picture, adjust the brightness, adjust the saturation and adjust the highlight. Back then we only improve the quality of the picture and the face, but from here you can improve the quality of whole thumbnail. So this is exactly how you can improve the normal quality of your thumbnail to the SD quality. So this app is very useful. As you can see, I have created a thumbnail from a free template, and you can also make a professional level of thumbnail by using this app simply on your mobile phone. So this is how you can make a professional thumbnail on your mobile phone by using Picsart app, which is totally free, and there are lots of features which will help you to make professional level of thumbnail. And by using the idea and tips I have already shown in this video, you can also make your thumbnail editing skills better. So that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and comment down what kind of videos you want to see next. And don't forget to share this video to your YouTuber friend.